Another of Canva's newly announced tools is this Magic Presentation tool. Now, if you've ever used the Magic Write tool, you know it can return text using artificial intelligence when you give it a prompt. But now with the Presentation tool, it's actually going to try to create your presentation for you, at least give you some starting points for your slides rather than you just staring at a blank page. So it says skip the blank page by generating a first draft of your presentation with an outline, slides, and content. And so you do this by describing in a few words your ideas, and then it's going to go to work here with this Magic Presentation tool, and it's going to create your design. So let's try it out. So we're going to try it out. So we're going to go ahead, and once we click try it out, it's going to jump in here. And now we're within a design here, and it's going to say Magic Design. But actually, I'm going to close this for a second because I just want to show you, if you're ever in here and you didn't use that link on the homepage to launch this, you can actually come in under here, and here you go under Magic Design. This is the same way to get this tool. So use 5 or more words to describe your presentation or topic. We're going to go ahead now, and we're going to choose, let's see, can you create a presentation on mental health and wellness? So let's imagine you had to give a presentation on mental health and wellness. You're going to bring your own spin to it, but you don't want to just start with this blank page. You want some of the work to be done. You want it to help you get started. So we're going to try this. We're going to go ahead and enter. It's going to go ahead. It's going to tell you creating presentation. It's going to go to work, and it's going to go ahead in here. And the first thing it's going to do is it's going to come back and it's going to let you choose between some different template styles. Okay, so it's gone ahead, it's created some content, so we can go through and see the content that it's created for this presentation. But then we can also just come through and click here and choose between these different styles. Okay, so right away you can come in here and sort of choose something that visually sort of fits more with what you're looking for. You can always come in here and make adjustments, but you can just click on any of these starting points, and it has the same content, but it sort of has different colors, different fonts. So you can come in here and choose the one that works for you. So let's say I choose this one here. So we're going to go ahead and choose create my presentation, and then it's going to go ahead and it's going to come in here and it's going to create this for you. So it's created a 9-slide presentation in here. And it's just going to go ahead and give some. So what is mental health? The importance of mental health. So again, it's not going to work perfectly. You're probably going to have some things. Oh, I wanted this in my presentation. Oh, I don't like this. I want to change this. I don't like this graphic. But the idea is it's gone ahead and it's given you an outline. It's giving you a starting point. It's giving you some things to think about. And then if you come in here, you're like, I don't like this graphic. You can go ahead and get rid of that. You can come in here, you can make adjustments, and obviously you can bring in more content, make everything your own. But this Magic Presentation tool is a great way to get started. So again, this Magic Presentation tool, you can find it here on the home menu now, currently under this Try Out Magic Presentation. But you can also just launch a presentation document and then come over here and choose this Magic Design, and that is essentially the same thing. And then it's going to go in there, you're going to give it a prompt, it's going to use some artificial intelligence, it's going to let you choose between some different styles, and then just like that, boom, it's going to create the presentation for you. So all this stuff, imagine it would have taken a fair amount of time to drag all this out, and now very quickly you have a starting point. So this can be a great way to get started. So make sure you check out this Magic Presentation tool now inside of Canva. Hey, this is Greg. Thanks so much for checking out this video. You can give it a like below if you found it helpful, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and set up notifications if you want to stay up on all the latest information all about Canva. Thanks again, and have an awesome day.